Okay, good day. I hope you are well. Okay, so I have done a lesson for the grade 9 learners based on safety in electricity, the safety of electricity, and and the learners' engagement with this activity. They were really interested in performing this activity. They really enjoyed it because electricity is part of our daily lives, and they are able to relate most of the content that is based on electricity. So the learners were excited to do that. They were excited to take part in the 3-pin plug project, where we took our plugs and then we joined all the wires into the plug. They were excited to do that activity. Okay, some learners that did not understand, they came to ask me, the teacher, for help how to perform the task. And they did not hesitate in doing it. All the learners participated while doing the task. I explained to the learners once in front of the class that how they should put the wires in the plug. And some of the learners did not understand, so they were allowed to come to me individually and ask questions on how to pin the plug. Okay, this practice was quite efficient and it encouraged teaching and learning. Students actively participated in the learning process while collaborating with this task. Okay, learners could apply this activity of doing this task in their household or daily daily activities, like when something is damaged they will be able to perform this task at home. And they even knew about fuses and circuit breakers. They even were excited to learn about it. They wanted to know, where do we find fuses, where do we find circuit breakers. Okay, the shortcomings that I faced was time. Time was the biggest issue because the learners took a lot of time. Some learners were fast, some learners took long to perform this task. In future, I would address this situation by telling the learners to do this at home first before coming to school and performing the task. And that is when they will be able to know how to do it in class, and they won't be taking so much time performing the task. I will also improve by giving the learners a strong background on how to plug, or about safety with electricity, so they do not face any problems in the future, and they are able to understand everything properly, like where the wires go and where to put everything in. Students' engagement is very important. This lesson had a positive outcome where all learners participated, all learners understood how to do the work, all learners were able to perform this task. There was no issues, like some of the learners could not perform the task. I hope to improve the students' engagement in learning results, resulting in more effectively and inclusive learning environment.